Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Namecheap email to Gmail. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have purchased a domain on Namecheap. Once you've got your domain, go to your Namecheap dashboard. You should see your domain listed here. Look for a small icon that resembles a server and click on it. This will lead you to the cPanel where you can manage various features including email accounts. In the cPanel, find and click on the email accounts section. This will open a page where you can manage your email settings. You need to click on Connect Devices, which will provide you with important details. Specifically, look for the Client Manual settings, as these are the details you will need to add your email to Gmail. Next, open Gmail in a new tab or window. In Gmail, click on the Settings cog icon at the top right and select See All Settings. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, find the section that says Check Email from Other Accounts and click on Add an Email Account. A pop-up will appear prompting you to enter the email address you want to add. Type in your email address and click Next. You will then need to enter some information from the cPanel. Start with the username, which is usually the same as your email address, and then enter the password you used when setting up your email. Next, for the POP server field, copy the incoming server address from your cPanel settings and paste it into the POP server field in Gmail. Set the port to 995. Make sure to check the box that says Always use a secure connection SSL. Optionally, you can label incoming messages. After that, click Add Account. Gmail might take a moment to load. If you encounter an error, double-check the username you entered. If everything is correct, Gmail will ask for the SMTP server details next. Again, copy these details from the cPanel, including the port number, and enter them into Gmail. Re-enter your username and password. Gmail will then send a confirmation code to your email. Check your email for this code and enter it in the Gmail pop-up to verify your account. After you confirm the code, your email should be successfully added to Gmail. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.